Andy Shields here with ELIET. Want to take a few minutes and talk to you about our Prof 6 Super Shredder. This one actually comes with a 14 horsepower Vanguard engine. It is a self-propelled model. Comes on tracks or tires, driven right here at the front easily by the turn handle. Another great thing about this model is the ease of loading your material here into the shredder. Now this shredder is made to handle up to 4-inch diameter green waste material, any type. Load it right in. It's going to get loaded through with the feed wheel, which is also has what we call ABM, anti-blocking motor. And what that means is as I load it, I can walk away and continue to work because it's going to regulate how quick the material is fed through the machine. If the blades are doing heavier material, larger material, it's able to slow itself down so we continue to get that fine shred. We don't overwork any parts of the machine. And if we're working with lighter material, it's going to shoot it on through at the same speed to keep everything nice and even. Another great thing about this machine is its size. It's very compact, 32 inches in diameter, less than 1,000 pounds in weight. So that, coupled with the fact that it's a self-propelled machine, is how you get what we call one man, one job. I can take this anywhere I need in my garden or on my landscape very easily to where I'm working instead of having to move my material to the machine. Another great thing about this machine is the ease of access here to the back of the system. This is where our blades are. This is also where our chute is with our turbo discharge system. All I have to do is very easily undo my turn screw here. Now I have access to the back end. This allows me quick and easy maintenance on the blades without having to have a lot of tools on hand. These blades actually run what we call our chopping principle. That means that they are going to cut into our material in a way that works with the grain of the wood. Makes it easier to cut, easier on the machine. That gives us finer shred. That shred is what we like to call biotech chips. That's because that shred can come straight out of the machine, can go straight back into your garden, into where you're working as a compost or as a mulch. It's good for the environment, good for your garden, good nutrients for the rest of your plants. On the same axle here with the blades, we have our impeller system that makes up our turbo discharge. Now, while this is spinning and it's doing around 50,000 cuts per minute, the impeller is also creating a vacuum, and that vacuum is going to take those chips there at the end and it's going to shoot them straight through the discharge into your wheelbarrow, into your trailer, or again, right into your garden, which is the best place to put that material. Any other information you need, check out our website.